Yeah, effective tomorrow. There is a new law that will be in effect in Pennsylvania. It's an anti-texting law that prohibits the use of a cell phone to send or receive text-based communications, emails, while the vehicle is in motion. We actually have not really received any guidelines from the state or the DA's office yet, so this is new to us also, and it's not something we're going to just rush out and start trying to enforce tomorrow, but the public should be aware that this law is on the books. There are some challenges with it for law enforcement in enforcing it and proving it. I can't tell by looking at you if you're holding your phone and looking at it. Are you texting? Are you dialing a number? Are you looking at a phone number? So there are some challenges enforcement-wise, and how do we prove that? I think the important thing here, though, is a safety issue, and it's almost a shame that there has to be a law like this developed and on the books. It should be common sense. Anything that distracts you when you're driving. I mean, you wouldn't read a book while you're driving, so why would you read a text message? And my hope is that this law, obviously people are talking about it, it's all over the media right now, and by talking about it, we get the message out there of how dangerous this can be. You might think just looking at your phone for a second or two isn't that big a deal. For every second you take your eyes off the road, if you're going 40 miles an hour, that's 60 feet you've traveled in that 1 second. So if some kid runs out in front of your car, that second could be the difference between life and death. So that's our real focus. We're going to use this to educate people, spread the message that this is just an entirely dangerous thing to do, and regardless of whether the law was or wasn't on the book, it becomes a public safety issue, and we want people to drive safe and not get injured or die on our highways and become statistics.